Hi guys, so I'm aware that it has been a long time since we've, filmed a video. Lots happened in life in the past year. First of all, we don't live in Georgia anymore. We now live in Orlando, Florida, so that we can go to theme park all the time. Like, let's just be real about it, that's why. And today is a really hot Monday in the middle of Florida summers. It's currently like 92 degrees. I know that the hair is a mess, but let me tell y'all something. You don't do your hair in the middle of Florida summer. You just don't, because you're gonna sweat to death and the humidity is skyrocketing. So it's gonna curl and be frizzy anyway. Here's the robe.
Ring ding dingy, we're going to Gatorland.
So let's have fun at Gatorland today. Jesus, we almost hit a car.
It's because people are idiots. Sorry.
Let's have a good time. Here we are, we made it. Oh, I already see a gator. But it is Gatorland. Holy crap. Those aren't logs, ladies and gentlemen.
That's a lot of gators.
May I just say, absolutely not. No, no, no. I've held one of these guys before. This I can handle. The rattlesnake, not so much. These little pearl gators. Oh, this one's bigger.
Wow. Look. The name means fierce good.
Wow.
It's amazing how we're so scared of things like this.
That bird's just straight up chilling.
There he is.
This one's name is Pearl, which is cool because I just called them pearl gators.
Look, you see that?
But
Chester, Florida cracker meaning Chester.
I know that it's hard to tell on video, but this gator is massive, dude.
Also, fun fact, that's Chester, the Florida cracker.
This is a whole slew of parakeets. I used to have parakeets. The only thing I really remember about them is that they're noisy and they poop a lot. So we got some gator food, which is pretty much just a few hot dogs, yeah. And we're gonna feed the gators or the birds if the birds try to get this food. The lady that gave us the food was like, yeah, watch those birds because they've been really bad lately. So we might end up feeding you.
Wow.
That's the slowest gator I've ever seen.
This is terrifying. I do not like this at all. This is like, I'm in the middle of Jurassic Park. It really is. Oh, sorry. Bro, this bird though.
Bro.
What?
He is standing on the gator. He's standing on top of the gator's tail. This guy's like trying to perform at a rock show. You had a long night, buddy?
Hey, I'm gonna throw one to the one out there. You wanna see if I can do it? That's so bad.
Straight to the birds. Straight to the birds.
Alright, now that they're distracted. And that was just as bad. And the bird got it.
Oh, well, he's gone. I was gonna film that little bird because, he was just chilling in some shade and then I ruined his fun time. So. These are some really neat looking fish. I have no clue what type of fish these are.
Their eyes. Nice. Yeah.
So say hello to Osceola and a.k.a. And I think they're cuddling back there. I don't know if you can see them. Glare. It's a couple of, I think, bobcats? Yeah, I think those are bobcats. So that's the train. I guess we'll try to ride that a little later.
Thank you.
Please do not feed, irritate, annoy, irk.
I like the whole theme of this.
Yeah, it's very country redneck.
Yep.
Welcome to Florida. So this legit was terrifying because this is not fenced off. But I guess it's fake.
That's horrible.
It looks so real, dude.
Yeah, I don't like that.
It looks so real. We found like a nature walk
really big.
It's between, like it's in an actual swamp. That's water right there. And the sign, when we entered it, said there could be rattlesnakes in here, so please don't pick them up. They're venomous. And that's a little bit terrifying. There's some like little fishies in here and everything.
Like we live.
And tadpoles.
We don't live too far from here, so we're gonna end up back home.
If I dipped my toe in there, I guarantee you I'd end up with a ringworm. Disgusting. We're still walking.
Oh my gosh, we've literally been walking for 15 minutes maybe?
How long is this bridge? Damn.
There's the fork, we found it.
Yes! Freedom! Oh, sweet mercy.
Alright, it's Dakota's turn. Will the gators win? Or will the birds? Alright, you got 4 hot dogs ready? Yeah, I know.
No, you're not getting this.
Whoa! Will anybody get it? Oh wow, yep.
Dude, it doesn't matter where they go.
Jeez, they get them quick too. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my god. Hey, you get out of here. Did he get it? Yes, finally.
There's a little guy right here.
Yeah, there you go, bud. Eat it. Oh, it's still there. It's still there. They still haven't eaten it. Dude. They still have not eaten the hot dog.
Struck him right in the face.
Bro, really? That hot dog is still there. It bothers me so much. Dude, eat the dang. There we go. Uh-oh, it's those hot dogs. Oh no, is that the big one? That one's crazy, boy. That bird's ruthless. Feels so good.
Oh, it's like a baby emu. These emus or something else. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Hi, little cow. Hello. Can I touch you? You've got horns, so I'm kind of afraid.
You got the king over here.
Oh, oh, I call him Black Lightning.
Itchy, I guess?
No, I think he's just trying to sharpen those blades. Not into it. Oh, see, he's like going after this one. Or he's drunk. I don't know.
One of the two. Probably the same.
It's a lot of goats.
There's a lot of goats. They got all goats, one cow, one very large tortoise, and one big emu.
Mm-hmm.
Diverse.
This goat just literally backed up and put his butt right in her face. Holy crap.
What is that?
What the hell,
look,
man?
Hey, look. What is he chewing?
Oh no.
What is he chewing?
I'm getting ready to show you the cutest thing in the whole world. Just prepare yourself, please. Oh my god. That is so freaking adorable. I don't even know what to do.
Whoa, jeez Louise, these things are big. They're so massive. Try to get a better shot in a minute. In the meantime, whoa, look at that, look at that. Like, it's an albino turtle. I don't think I've ever seen an albino turtle before. That's kind of awesome. Dude, that's cool. Alright, now that's just creepy. You've heard of the rat king. Now here's the baby alligator king. Terrifying. Or queen, I guess I should say. That's awesome, but also terrifying. Oh my gosh, I feel like they're staring at me. Wow. Alright, I gotta go. Got some other fun creatures in here, some more turtles and whatnot. Some baby crocs. I think I used to have a turtle this size. It ran away from home. I'm still sore about it. I didn't even notice this because it's almost camouflage. There's a baby turtle on top of another tiny turtle. That's freaking adorable, but I still love the albino guy. Just chilling. Holy crap, this thing's so freaking, okay. Like in comparison, there's Dakota, And there's this tortoise 2 feet away. It's super dark, so you might not be able to see it.
We're about the same size. This is a giant, guys. I mean, he's just... This one's even smaller than the one we just filmed. They're in the same enclosure, though. How cool. I just want one of these in my backyard.
Whoa.
I wonder how absolutely heavy he is. He's pretty strong to lift himself up.
Oh, yeah. Hey, buddy. A panther. Or they're cougars, too, right?
I don't know.
I don't either.
They look exactly the same to me, but I'm not positive on that.
Yeah, I don't either. Pretty cool, though.
That is ridiculous.
They're massive.
And I thought the bobcats were big.
Yeah. They got a lot of birds and also some more crocs. These ziplining idiots go right over top of the gators. I don't know what they're thinking. Boy, that looks nice on a 90-degree day. Boy, that looks nice. For those of you who have seen Sleepover Camp, not Sleepover Camp, Sleepaway Camp, that reminds me of Angela, her final scene and her final